For my next video, I'd like to do one on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and specifically the option to allow you to continue keeping the screen on while looking at it. So it doesn't have a timeout like everybody's used to, like how long to keep the screen on, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes, etc. This works by using the front-facing camera and determining if your eyes are looking at the screen stays on. So it's a very handy feature. If you're like me, you're looking at a web page or something, and it takes, like the minimum setting, 15, 30 seconds. It takes longer than that to read it without interacting with the screen, then the screen will turn off. Likewise, I don't want to have my phone set to 5 minutes or 10 minutes and have the phone always on, and then I have to turn it off each time. So anyway, let's dig right in on how to set this. So go into your settings menu and scroll down to display, and then scroll all the way down, I missed it, to screen timeout. Okay, and you want this set, and here's the settings. You want to keep this one specific. Keep screen on while viewing. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it using the front face camera to detect your face. So normally you'd pick one of these on how long it is, and then you would of course turn this off, and then it'd shut off in a minute or whatever. If you turn this on, I have noticed that these don't gray out. In the past, these used to gray out. Now, I'm not sure, maybe if you know, you could leave a comment down below that if these still are somehow active with this in conjunction while keeping the screen on. I'm not sure. But they're not being grayed out like they used to in the past, because I've always used this feature. It's a really handy feature. I don't want to always be turning my phone on and off, and likewise, I don't want to have to come back and leave it set to 10 minutes and it never shuts off. So as long as you're looking at the screen's going to stay on without any interaction to having to touch the screen or whatever the case being. So it's a very handy feature, I think. So that's my video on screen timeout. I hope you find my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.